Wait! Retinol is over? Hi, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a cosmetic chemist and certified naturopath, bridging science and nature for your skin. Bakuchiol is a plant-derived extract from Soralia coryllifolia. It's often called the natural alternative to retinol, promising anti-aging and brightening effects, but without the irritation. Science shows bakuchiol can stimulate collagen and reduce fine lines similar to retinol. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, making it gentler for sensitive skin. Studies even found that used twice daily, bakuchiol can match retinol's visible results. So while retinol is still the gold standard for stronger results, bakuchiol is a great option if you want a gentle, plant-based alternative that you can use daily without irritation. Again, I'm Chat De Los Santos, your wellness cosmetic chemist, at kung gusto mo ring matutong mag-formulate at gumawa ng sarili mong skincare products, I have a training for you. DM me if you're interested. Let's grow your knowledge and skills in cosmetic formulation.